guys, welcome back to Day in Life for Unicorn. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at some of my fidgets. So we have a whole tub right here to look through, but okay, so okay, we have this squishy. So nice. It's cake. So cake squishy. So yeah. And if you hear meowing in the background, that's just my cat. Yeah. We have this putty. I'm not gonna really get it out though because it can be a mess. Yeah. We also have this one, but this is like slime kind of. It doesn't want to leave. Okay, we have this. This is kind of cool, but I don't know. Not like the best fidget to me. I have both of these. This one's darker and this one's lighter. Okay, sorry. I have this. So yeah. I have a whole bunch of capsules of like fidgets from like whatever those machine things are, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay. Okay, so we have these. So yeah. Oh, not these. This. It's really weird. Like the ball goes around. Some of these fidgets I haven't even really opened yet, so. There's like so much stuff. This is even all of it. I have these mochis. This one's starfish. This one's a yellow puppy. It's really cute, but kind of weird too. This one's a snail. It's kind of mushed, but it's cute. Sorry I'm being so weird. It's just I'm really tired right now. Okay. I have these. These are really cute. They're fun. I don't know what they're called, but it's fun. I love squishing them. And stretching them. Okay. I have this like Rubik's Cube type thing. It's really weird. It's like a pad, but I almost have it solved, and I'm like so afraid to move anything because like I feel like I'm gonna mess everything else up. But like I have to if I want it to be. Oh, I want it to, like if I want to fix it, but yeah. We have this dimple fidget spinner thing. So yeah, this one's one of my favorites because look at it when it spins. So beautiful. Oh, okay. We have more mochis. This one's one of my favorites. It's cute. I don't know what it is. I think it's a rabbit, but yeah. I have a cute little duck. I forgot what they were called. Okay, and this one's also really cute. It's panda. Yeah, my best friend. She like loves pandas so much. This one squishy I've had forever. Somehow it barely has rips. Like just look at that. And then that's the only rips it has. Just right there where the top pig is, but it squishes so well. It's one of my favorite squishies I've ever had. So yeah, we have this stress ball, if you didn't know this, I love stress balls so much. Like, they're the best. Whenever one pops, I'm so sad. So, this one's my Orbeez tomato stress ball. This one is a really cool puppet. I actually got it from my best friend, like my best friend. And she got it for me for Christmas. At like our school, we were doing like a shop, so she got me this. See, we have this marble mesh. Like I said, I don't really play with them a lot. Like, I play with my marble mesh, but I don't play with them a lot. Oh my gosh. I haven't played with this one in forever, this stress ball. And now I realize it's like so good. It like, compared to this, it's so good. Because it's actually like, I feel like it'd help with stress more. I don't know. Feels so nice. I love it. Okay. I have this. My friend, she made it for me. Well, I kind of traded with her, but yeah. It's really noisy. Like, you see all those beads. Yeah. But my friend made that, so. I have this green marble mesh. I have so many marble mesh. Why? Okay. So next we're going to do some of these. Some of these. And then there's two. So we have these two big ones. You might not be able to tell the difference, but this one's like a little bit lighter than this one is. See? Just a little bit. Yeah, it's really hard to see though, because even it's just so hard to see. We also have this mini one. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of like a little green family. It's weird. I don't know. We have these pop tubes, blue, pink, and red. We have a really hard teared cupcake squishy. But other than the tear, this thing's in pretty good condition. But except for that, that's kinda like there's like that weird little crack right there. I don't really like it though. So guys, I actually have two pandas. So that one I showed you earlier and this one. They're just so cute. I think I squeezed this head so hard. Yeah. This one's kind of more flat though. It's gone through much more than this one has. So yeah, this one's definitely more flat. But yeah. But they're like the panda family. I don't know. Why do I keep making families out of fidgets? Ugh. So, yeah. So, to go with the duck, I got a chicken. Well, I don't think the duck wants to go with the chicken. This is the duck. So this is my chicken one. But this is an actual good looking duck. Like, look at it. Quack, quack. there's this cute porcupine, but he's not doing the best. He went through some stuff. Look at that. Yeah. So, yes, he's not the best, but we still gotta keep him. So this one is actually broken. So this gives you an example on how easy they can break. So you see this side is almost broken. It has just a couple bit more strings attached, kind of. This one's completely open. Like, look at that. You can literally look at the marble mesh through there. I can like pop it right out. I did. So yeah, that proves that like it's broken. They break easily. And all I was doing to it was this. Just playing with it. And then it broke like that. So I have this DNA ball. It's really, really fun. So guys, I have a whole huge pile of fidgets right here that I've already shown you. Yeah. I have a puzzle ball. It's so fun to like mix it up and then solve it, but like when you mix it up the first time, you're like, now I have to solve this. But like, that's like the point. But yeah. So yeah, I have a lot of fidgets, but let's go with the puzzle. Where I can't find the other piece. Okay, sorry, I couldn't find the pieces to the puzzle. Alright, so these are my puzzle pieces. Like, they don't actually make a whole thing. They just connect to each other. So like you can buy more of these and like just keep adding on. So, yeah. I like it a lot because I really love puzzles. Like, love puzzles. Yeah, and it's so easy to put together. So, this is another one that I got with this one. Puppet is the same one. Like, basically, I got it from my friend too. I have this. For some reason, I never took it out of the thing, and now I never want to. This side doesn't pop very good with the Snoopy thing on it, but the other side does. So, yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you some more little things before we get to the good big things. Okay. So let's start with this apparently. So this is my infinity cube. It's like a mini one, I think. So, but it's so fun. Sometimes I like make a shape that looks like a table. Like, look at this one shape. This is the table shape. Cause you look, these are the little seats, and this is the table. Yeah, I'm weird. But yeah. Here's my pea popper. I feel like that's just so cute. And like, oh, hello. Hi. They're just so cute. Love them. I have this. It's really cool. Yeah. I have this too. This one, I love the colors. I don't know if I would put orange and blue together, but this is my bike chain. It's a blue bike chain. Yeah. We'll start with the pink ones first. Okay, so I have this big pinky monkey noodle. This big pink monkey noodle. And this small pink monkey noodle. So let's see what the difference in size are there. they are from. Look at that. This one goes off screen. This one doesn't. It's crazy. Okay. Yeah. We have a green noodle and a yellow one too. We have a purple and a blue one. We have an orange one and orange pop too. So yeah. Okay. Now we have to get into some bigger stuff. I'm gonna start with the pop-it stuff. So this is my green pop-it. It pops so good. We have this pop-it. It's a duck pop-it. I don't know why it's green though. It should be like yellow, but it pops really good too. There's this one. It doesn't pop great, but it's really pretty. It's a pretty rainbow heart. This one's a pretty boring purple unicorn, but I have this cute cupcake puppet. And then this is one of my best puppets like ever, because look at this, it's so freaking cute. It's those little pineapples on the pops, and look at the color, and it's just so cute. The only thing that'd be nice if it had the pineapples on this side too, but it's just regular on that side. I have this popsicle puppet, which is really cool because it has the alphabet on it, and then down here some like numbers. Yeah. But this one has it on both sides, so yeah. This one's really cool because I got it from the Columbus Zoo. So, yeah. I forgot I have 2 more mochis. Okay, so we have this cute little green bear. This cute alligator. I don't know. Yeah. So, hold on. Now we're gonna do this. Okay. So we'll start with this one. It's a stress ball. So you know how much I love stress balls. Yeah. So I have this. It's supposed to be like a strawberry lobster. But yeah, it's really weird. It has like weird chunks of stuff in it. But it's so fun. Look at that. His hand just gets filled up with Orbeez. We have this one. It's supposed to be a lion's son. So yeah, so cute. This one's cute. It like, the texture on the back is so nice, and that's the strawberry one. It has some of these little like chunks. This one doesn't like squish as good. I don't know. I don't like it so much, but they're heavy. They're heavy, especially if you try to carry them both in the same hand. So many. Yeah. So now we're going to do the big one. So this one's not super big, but I really like it. It's one of the biggest ones I have. The reason I like it so much is because I got it from Zimbizi Bay. Yeah, it's really cool. So yeah, let me go grab some more fidgets. Okay, so guys, I'm back with some more fidgets. I have pop-it bracelet. I have so many pop-it bracelets, but not like all with me right now. Here's 2 more. I mean, not 2 more. 4 more pop-it bracelets. Yeah. And I have another one of these little stretchy toy guys. And this, I don't really like it, but meh. Then this one's really cool. It's actually the backpack itself. Ta-da! So yeah, it's a puppet backpack. love it. So cool. And you can pop it from the inside too. It actually has a lot of space. So yeah, let's throw these back in here. There. Okay. So then we have, I don't think I should show you the biggest one yet. Let's grab some more fidgets. Okay, I couldn't find the rest of my fidgets, but it's fine. You ready for the big one? Okay. Might not fit on the whole screen. Okay. I gotta like back it up so you can see the whole thing. So yeah, this is 484 pops on this poppet. It's my biggest fidget I have. So yeah, so cool. Like literally, it goes up to my knees. So yeah, like look at this. Look at this. So, that's, oh wait, I just realized I have some more fidgets right here. So I had these cute little eraser balls, like, come apart. I don't know if it's a fidget. I think it's a fidget. I don't really know. I have this cool little spinner soccer ball. It's kind of fun. I like it, but I don't know. I rather would have a fidget spinner other than that, but yeah. We have a bouncy ball with some sticker inside. And you know what our next video is gonna be? Me organizing these fidgets. And we have, I don't know what this is. Let me open it. Oh, so my friend, she got this stress ball. It's a fish one, and the Orbeez came out of it. For some reason, I traded stuff with her to get this fish thing. I don't know. So yeah. It's kind of cute, kind of creepy, but I like it. And a bouncy ball. I don't really like bouncy balls because they get lost so easily, but I get so many of them. They're so common. I have another bouncy ball and some stickers. Now these are like bouncy ball things that I like. Well, they're not bouncy ball, they're texture balls. See, I got a pink one and a blue one. So yeah. Then, oh, this is perfect. Okay, I can show you an example of what my friend's fish stress ball did look like. Okay, so this is what it looked like. And I got one of my own, but yeah. It's actually squishy, it's not too bad. I shouldn't be stretching up. Me. Okay, stickers. And bouncy ball and stickers. So, that's the end of the video. See you guys next time. Yeah. I hope you have a good day. Bye.